we've got here, we're going to Calaguas Island, and this is the port. Looks like there's going to be a lot of people there today. Hope it's not going to be too crowded, but it looks really beautiful. I'm getting really excited. We're about to go. We've just put all our stuff in a plastic, in a plastic bag. So we're getting ready to shoot off to the island. I'm in awe in all the boats. I think I might own one of these one day. Right, I'm just going to give you a quick walk along here anyway, just to have a look. There's lots of boats, but it looks as though there's not going to be many in a bit, because there is a lot of people here. There's a few hundred people on the other side of them buildings, as you can see straight in front. I've heard this island's beautiful. I'm hoping it is anyway, because I want to get some good video for you. Look at that. I love it. Typical. Put the camera away and a little altercation happened with the boats, and I've gone and missed it. Well, you've gone and missed it. I saw it. This guy in the white shirt's the owner who organises the trips to the island, actually. But this is a private port, this bit, so I've been told by the owner. Lots and lots of people. And we're being given life jackets as usual. Safety first. Now if you can see them containers at the back there, that's our food. That's going to be cooked on the island. There's no, like I say, there's no power or anything. And we're going to be sleeping in a tent overnight. I've just got to put my life jacket on. that journey must have took like an hour and 20 minutes maybe. It seemed a long time. My bum's killing because the seat's not comfortable, so if you come here, bring a cushion for your bum. Right, as you can see, depending on how many is in your party, etc., you get one of these little huts to sit in and eat your food and have your drinks, and then later on they set a tent up for you, and again the size of the tent will depend on how many there is, but it's really nice. It's, well, you know, I keep saying it, but I mean it. It's absolutely beautiful, really is. I'm very impressed with the island. So an overnight stay we'll be able to explore. I'm really looking forward to it. See you in a boat. So if you visit this island, this is the kind of food you can expect. And also, you'll make lots of new friends, like I've just made. Hello! So, I know the names, but I'm going to get them to tell you the names and where they're from. So, what's your name and where do you come from? I've always wanted to say that.
My name is Juan. James Juan.
Good
James,
one.
no, James.
James.
From Sorsogon City. And
Prisha from Sorsogon. I'm Asmia from Lanao del Sur.
Dudes from Manila, but staying in Lanao del Sur also.
Yeah. And he is a nurse, by the way, qualified nurse. So if I croak, he can give me CPR. So that's really good. So these are my new friends. Just say hi again.
Hi.
And we'll see you in a short while. I'm going to dig in. Seafood. The water really cools you down. It's really clear. The sand is like powder.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.